Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to view WhatsApp messages on your Android phone which have been deleted in the chat window. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. It really helps me and the channel grow, and I really appreciate all your support. So not many people know this, but on Android you can view WhatsApp messages which have been deleted by the person who sent it. You'll need to enable a setting, and then from that time onwards you can view messages that have been deleted in the chat window. In addition to that, you need to make sure your Android phone is running the Android version 11. So let me show you how to do it. Once someone messages you on WhatsApp, you will get a notification on your phone saying a WhatsApp message has been received, including what is on the message. Now we'll assume your phone is in your pocket or in a bag and you have not checked the message yet. Now, if your friend decides to delete that message within WhatsApp before you have seen it, on the notification page and in WhatsApp, it'll change from the message to the deleted message. So to see this deleted message, you need to go into settings on your Android phone. Then tap on notification, then advanced settings. Now go down the list and find notification history. On this screen, let's enable notification history. Now let's test it out. Again, let's assume the phone is in your pocket or bag and you received a message on WhatsApp. Now the person deletes the message on both sides on your WhatsApp and you see the message, this message was deleted. Now to see the deleted message, you can go into settings, notification, advanced settings, then tap on notification history. Now tap on WhatsApp and scroll through your messages and check the messages after or before the message was deleted. And there you'll see the message that has been deleted. So there you go guys, that is how to see deleted WhatsApp messages on your Android phone. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.